Okay, I think it's where you go wrong. Hold on. No, Billy, you might have to help me for a second.